Whatever, I'll be a bro. Yes, my eyes are both two different colors. Oh, thank you, Money Rel. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you guys a lot. It's the haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors, and the reflecting memories. I am gonna do that. I'm glad you love it, Cam, bro. Make sure you hit that follow button if you haven't already, and make sure you go check out my 2 pinned posts. That will help me be able to be here all the time. Oh, it didn't stop. You locked yourself out. Woo! Feeling that burn. Hey, baby. Is that Evie pig? I think I need a heavier weight. I gave you all there was to give me. The next one. Are you okay? You spitting out all excuses. Give me something that is real. The things that you don't deny. But all I feel is doubt. Will you turn and step around? For the night will close us down. Everybody, please go to my profile and like my 2 big posts. Tell me how it feels to know that I can't let you go. My legs, they are afraid, 'cause my heart is full for you. I would do anything just to have you once again. Open the doors once, weakness, only born inside my arms. Leave that door open. I just told you that. Open and shut the door. I'm not gonna need opening and closing them. I just said don't do that. If you don't listen, you will be kicked out. This is a listening space. In this space, this is anti-ED space. Where you listen to log in or download TikTok on here. Oh, it did it. It took forever last night. Here, we're gonna take a little smoke break. Everybody, I'm about to do squats. I'm literally about to do them. I just want to check and see. I just want to see what I can see.